I believe we've got a caller. Sanjay is calling us from Karnataka. Sanjay, good morning and thanks so much for calling us. What would you want to know about today?
Hi sir, good morning sir. I'm from Mandya, Karnataka. Namaskara sir.
Namaskara. How can we help you today?
Sir, Wari Renewable Technology, under stock.
Okay.
Average price 1290.
Okay.
Stellar holder sir.
Okay, and what is the time period that you have, Sanjay? You want to hold
6 months.
6 months.
Sir, 6
okay.
months.
6 months. So you're in the profit right now and you bought at levels of 1290. Stock price is currently at 1333. Do you want to buy more or do you want to hold only this much?
Sir?
You want to buy more or you want to hold only this much?
Sir, 6 month old period sir.
Got it. Okay. All right. Nilesh, I'll come to you on the technicals. 100 shares bought at 1290. Would you hold or sell at this point?
Well, at this point, it looks like more sort of a consolidation with slightly negative bias. So I would rather wait for a pullback towards 3200 to 3400. That can be a good exit point. But as of now, it's a hold and one can keep a stop loss below 2600 because that's the immediate support for this particular counter. I don't have much of data because it was a recent listing and whatever data I have, I think the stock is likely
we're
to...
We're talking about Wari Renewables, right? Wari Renewables, 1333 is the current market price? Yeah, sorry. So the buy price is yeah. So the buy price is 1290. The current market price is 1333. He's in the green. He's asking should he hold for another 6 months?
Right. So Wari Renewable, I think, yes, I've got chart as well. So stock is in a downtrend since a long time after hitting highs near about 3000 in the month of May 24. The stock has been in a continuous declining trend, making a low top and low bottom formation. The overall trend is still looking weak and we may see further downtick towards 1200 to 1150 as well. So better whatever pullback you get, try to exit from the long position. I don't see any immediate trend reversal on this particular counter. If somebody wants to hold it for a little positional perspective, then one can keep a stop loss below 1250. That's the immediate support for this particular counter. And I would, I would take an exit call if at all it reaches 1600 to 1650.
Okay, so a sell call is what we are looking for Wari Renewable Technologies. But now the next question is from Abhishek from Mumbai. He wants to understand the view for Zomato. Now it's been in correction mode since this last 1 month or so. In fact, we are looking at about 10% of a downtick he holds. If you look at his portfolio, he holds about 5,000 rupees profit in this one. Wants to understand whether it's a right time to book profits. Nilesh, I'll come back to you on this one. What is your view on Zomato? Do you think the recent correction is a good entry price or he should rather book profits now?
Absolutely, Anshi. So recent correction, I think is a good opportunity to accumulate this particular counter because the stock has given a good run up near about 305 to 307. And since after that, we are witnessing some profit taking. Although there could be possibility of a further profit taking to continue towards 260 level. But ideally, one should buy in the range of 250 to 265. That could be a good entry point. One can keep a stop loss below 240 because 240 is a double bottom support for this particular counter. So as long as it holds above 240, the overall structure is kind of a buy on decline and the position target for particular counter comes around 300 to 350.